If you only look for funding when your business is struggling, you're already too late, because the best time to secure capital is not when you're desperate, it's when you're stable. Let's talk about why. The biggest mistake. Most entrepreneurs wait until cash flow is tight, bills are piling up, opportunities are slipping away, then they start looking for funding. But here's the problem. When your business is under pressure, your options shrink. Lenders and funding partners want to see stability, consistent revenue, predictable cash flow, not panic. What smart business owners do? Smart business owners think ahead. They secure funding when revenue is steady. Their numbers look strong. They don't need the money yet. Why? Because that's when you have better approval, odds, higher funding amounts, more flexible terms. You're negotiating from a position of power, not pressure. How to use funding strategically. Funding isn't just for emergencies, it's a tool. You can use it to invest in marketing before your competitors, buy inventory ahead of demand, hire help to scale faster, take advantage of opportunities immediately. The businesses that grow the fastest, they move quickly, and capital helps them do that. Here's the truth. Funding should be part of your strategy, not your last resort. So ask yourself, are you preparing for growth or waiting for pressure? If you want help getting your business funding ready, drop funding in the comments or check the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another business owner who needs to hear this.